Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please share this video as you come in. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Please share this video as you come in. Good morning. Please share. Y'all don't call on your easy. Eke Slave don't change her Facebook. Her Facebook name. She don't change her. She don't use shame, change her. You don't understand. She don't use shame to change her Facebook name. Please share this video. May I come now? May you go see what Sarah do easy because of social media money. Eke Slave no carry her pikin enter house. 50% of Eke Slave unborn child, they don't take them. 50% of our destiny, they don't take them. All in the name of social media. Good morning, audience. You are welcome to the building. When I met the kind woman when they marry, cause see as they place curse on woman pikin. Imagine the boy when he give her belly, you know pursue her enter house, so you know pursue her enter house. Good morning, audience. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming. Where the video self? I share out to this phone. Where the video? Me I find her and see her here. When I not coming now, I not see me on live. When I come see, I say 50% of his bikini and I can see course. Listen.
Oh, make a young job come out. It's not good. You taking the children picture. Now I come on.
Wait me, I fast this up like 2
o'clock in the night, just the
Yeah,
night, just do video.
Yeah, I forward this up like a side.
And this morning, they might be very soon. And I want, he don't want to say she talk. He said if she born finish. Eke Slave, I will call that place, I will play her for the records. Because
yeah.
I
Wow.
I will beat that picking.
Please share this video.
You know what she talk?
Thanks for coming.
She said that she felt even if she never born so. Men are they tell people, see now fire now pulling. I want to get it your
When I not say Eke Slave, as he can't use less reach for this social media. She dey pretend say shame, not dey. She not say she don't change her easy or better page. She don't change her. She don't change her page name to another name. And she'll come out on the phone say she not shame. Because some people know Akpekus for social media say Akpekus don't to fly. She can't change her name to hot pepper soup something. You know, see her? She don't change her Facebook name, her page name. Out of shame, oh.
When we make our death, because it take now she had to say she died for dream. Now Eke Slave. You won't kill Eke Slave. Now she, let me break it down for you. Now I see Eke Slave for this, so she died with Bele.
You hear her? Una hear her? They say they see Eke Slave say she died with Bele. So my people wanna put her for prayer. She don't change her name, oh. Imagine. And they'll come and go, they pretend. She don't change her YouTube, Facebook name. When she gets Salekia, you on social media. To a hot pepper soup something. When I don't say as when I say as she don't change her name. And she'll come and call the phone, say, no shaking, no level, she no shake. She don't change her Facebook name to another name. Una not gonna know her name now. But una go feel saying another person they use that page. She can't block all the useless video when she do. She not be new page, oh. She just changed the Facebook name. But una no suspect say she useless. I bet when I share this video, share. God bless you. Share.
Yes, let's hurry and hope. He says I should never born so. If she still born, she
a pregnant woman when he get belle, and they come out when they brag, say, my husband get this, my husband get that, my husband get this. With belle, malawa, you they use unborn child. They also on social media. So people get belle, you not go know, they go, they only they share show here. You not go suspect. But her own, she they use pregnancy, they beg, they also. And she they come out, they motivate people, say she married, they motivate single mother when it's supposed to follow man. Look for man when it be say, even though it no gets, make them stronger together, make them plan life together. She not talk, she not they agree, say now, poor when the man she marry, but she they discourage us. Maybe they look for ready-made. She is discouraging us to look for a ready-made. Hey, person get belle morning, afternoon, evening, na live video. 50% of Ekia slave pikin, they don't take her for live video. If that pikin grow come now, he can see the Nyanwe, they do come be maricon. They will say, na enemy. When he be say, Ashawo, when he born the pikin, don't make the pikin destiny limits. Imagine. When I see what man, be careful of the kind of women when you marry. They don't say woman don't like money, oh. They don't say woman don't like money. But at least, you see one with sense. She said she dey work 8 hours. The man they work. Which kind of money she come the if not be packaged? Women, be shine your eye. Don't let your fellow women deceive you. If you see man when is responsible, forget what that they talk on social media, the level where they position they are lazy use husbands. If you see man when they try, paper or no paper, my sister, carry them on also together. Forget all those lies where can't slay the lie. Mona not let her because they use language school when she go for UK. Take they deceive you now. Me, I not go language school. Jama, when I come Europe, now Spain I go. Spain, they know they speak English. I come out for Spain. I come Germany. Germany, they see they speak English small. Then the person I can't speak English when not correct. They go say, I not sabi speak English. Eh? They will say, I not sabi speak English. No, I'm not there to live English country. Since I come out from Nigeria, even the little English when I know, don't they come out from my mouth. But people see the talk, say, I still they try. So my beloved women, let nobody to deceive you. Man and man. Not use already mate, follow man, forget all those packages, you know. She wants to follow lazy shoot. She go follow lazy shoot when she's senior. But she'll come out, come they discourage. Single mom, please share the video now. Make people come. Make women come receive sense. With packaging fake life. Yes, so with fake life. Fake life. Fake life. For all those our lunatic, low life video presenters. Live video presenters. Men choose women wisely. Forget say people like us they talk. Oh. They don't say woman not they talk. But all those also is shameless. Then they call person shameless. Mona avoid them. Not be all woman deserve to be a mother of a child. Some women too desperate to my liking. This Ekia slave for na desperation. Oh. Good morning, Port Ritato. This Ekia slave for na desperation. She go come mad because they motivate my husband. Her first video when I make day on him, person do marriage. She go day on him. The Ekia slave come out a day after her court marriage when she want to give the guy paper. Could you imagine? A day after marriage, when she give the marriage, when she do what to give the guy paper, but she can't come and say the boy was born and brought up in UK. Now say he gets how many diploma? Imagine. Man, when he get all those diplomas, because he focus they fly for social media. Now he won't carry because the guy don't get family. The boy don't get family. I want beg your slave. I want beg you. I package your boy. People when they do what they know they make maths. They know they make maths. Ekia slave don't turn to another thing. Ekia slave, stop deceiving our women. Ekia slave, stop misleading us. We were never married. Man and man, women. Man and man. Don't let Ekia slave to brainwash you. May I put for my phone for charger. Don't let Ekia slave to brainwash you. As soon as I say the man, no they call you a shawo. As soon as I say the man get respect for you, deal with her. Money or no money. Money or no money. Money is not everything. Money not they give joy. Now, woman, when he go love you, respect you, money not there, follow her. Not let all those lunatic when they also desperation because of monetization, they feed their husband, because they try to brainwash you now. Woman, when they do, but not for social media. Tell me the reason why a lot of married women they craze for this social media. If not be, may they take package. Woman, man, they work, they wear. Una they fool themselves for social media. They will come and call the brainwash us. Call the brainwash us. Very soon now. You not say now me when you get money, now get character. You not say now me when you don't know say some men, they will be say, they don't get anything. If you not suffer with them, first say some they disappoint person. It's still better pass some already made when you be say fear not gonna let you talk. Fear not gonna let you talk. You go say, don't talk to me. I appeal who I am before you meet me. Sometimes, if you not say you do well as a woman, you can and I make a good woman they do well so that you know to select. If you they do well, you know okay whether the man get money or you not get money for you to carry pregnancy, because they cause the future of the key where you never carry con life. Our women are so fake. A lot of our live video presenters are so fake. Now, what you did their body, and they take the cost person. Share this video.
For you, meaning the death I'm seeing around you is true. Now your face I see, not be any other thing. And they use internet they talk to you since you know more, you know get and clear.
Yeah.
When they talk and say, and if something happen to you, I will not be, I not go there.
Yeah.
Go right and call this
pregnant woman. If a girl slave really say she not be pians, she not be pians. How can a pregnant woman come out with Pele? They do saga. If a girl slave don't get what he put for he take the back. How can a pregnant woman come out on public? They do saga with Pele. She not the fear. If she not the fly, she not the fly. She not be really big pians. She'll come out. They receive all these expensive calls with man when they say if they try. Who can they deceive ourselves? Who they fool ourselves like that? Who can they fool ourselves? Which reasonable man go come across all this video when they take the place calls on a child? When he be say the man, he no go, he the thing not the pain for body. Not be the money of this cost they take the hits. Not be the money. They say that one, but on my own at sea. Which reasonable man go marry woman with Pele? You go allow your wife come they carry receive calls on public with nakedness. So you know the sick pants what she they wear. You know the sick pants what she they wear. Person when they call herself husband, wife. Oh. Now they talk say na married woman. She married. No, she not married. She married when they can't slave too. Now to Pepe, baby papa. I get a lot of them. When they use their money to marry, they don't first born. Yeah, so why not pay the man? I get a lot of friends. Every time they talk now my life story. I get a lot of friends when they live fake life. You know, say she don't change her Facebook name to hot pepper soup something. She changed out of shame. She changed out of shame. She don't change her name from the name which she did before. She did Facebook or she did lie say she not did Facebook. Hey, can't slave did Facebook. She did Facebook. Go check hot pepper soup waiting. I bet my friend when he call me give me this information. Call me back. I'm down the phone. They not call now. Maybe they not call hear your voice. She don't change her name. She don't change her name. She still there Facebook at Agba. All those also she dey lie say I not there Facebook na lie. She dey also for Facebook, TikTok and YouTube. Now she tell the feed her husband. She not dey work. Make your slave stop to deceive our women. Our women more choose wisely. But no, not choose my own. I see you. Yeah. Yes, now fake marriage. Fake marriage.
And they talk about they say I like to do saga, I like to talk. No.
Now yeah.
Okay, you think when I talk and say since last week, now they see your death. They say you soon die.
You hear her? Imagine, woman where you know they fly. with belle that they cause you this kind of cause. They say that Kate won't buy a care slave. Ah, Kate, why? What did a care slave to you? But you call her your friend. You call her your friend. Ketekia, what did a care slave do you when they plan waiting for labor? Please, despite say a care slave must go. Not let her buy. Now see our sister. Please, Ketekia, not say you can do it. You are capable. But only when they work, and I tell you they spend that put. Ketekia no gbeo. La wo. Not let this get back as they talk. Not be me talk camo. Now analyzation. Now I can't do. Hey, your slave. No, you call your friend though. They say Ketekia the planted. They wait for you. Oh. Be careful. Oh. Ha. Be careful. Oh.
You not be dead. Or say you not will die. Oh. Because my dream, if I talk and finish, it not go happen. You feel now? But you go still die for road.
Yeah.
Where be normal?
Ha! You know, Yara, he said you not go born normal. Not be me talk come on analyzation and they do. Oh. Hey. Hey, your slave. T-Boss, the only queen of saga. Sarah T-Boss say, where be normal? I'm not tired. I be woman. Oh. I go labor. I know as it be. I not feel insult. I not feel wish my fellow woman bad. You don't understand, which is a bad attitude. I'm not in support of it, though. But this course is too expensive for you, a care slave. Enter house, no get wamwe. Get wamwe, a care slave, no get wamwe. You are disgraced. They say they disgrace single mother. You are disgracing pregnant women. You they bring pregnant women down. You they make pregnant women they feel bad. You are disgracing pregnant women. Lovely, you they see her. You say they disgrace on a single mother. Not be me come out you for husband house. A care slave, who is the disgrace? Pregnant women. Pregnant women, wanna pursue enter house. Ha!
You know, normal. Never. Where? You know, normal.
Yara.
It's clear already. Where be normal?
It's too much. Ha! Ha! A care slave, you never buy, I don't cry you. They say you know born normal. Don't be me talk out. Now analyzation I call analyze. Ah. A care slave. La wa. Uge kwa mwe. If you say wa kwa la wa. Or you get body can ruse. Wa kwa la wa. It they bring on a disgrace. Ayo, bojale ga ama. A marry broke guy. No be she stop to the marry broke nigga. Eh? Man not they work, they do beggar. Man need to do shorty. Now, Italian boys, your baby papa when you dey Italy, at least na shorty, now they do. Italian boys they do shorty to take care of woman. Why you go marry lazy youths? Because he says he's a bit strong or internet they there. You go marry one lazy youth. Now with frustration. You go they come and say my boyfriend is my boy. He do cooking, he do cleaning, and you do the making money machine. You are the making money machine. Why is the house boy for the house when they do house shoes? Instead of man to work to take care of woman, make woman they do as choose. You don't change her. Who change her? Hey? And you change her. Ha!
Hey, cut the place. Don't keep on. I said when you cut this place, not tell me say me I be careful. I said if she not die, she will see you die for road. You want me to cut it?
Akure.
And they see death around her. They tell me say me I be careful. I can't be.
Oh God! She says she they dream they see death around a care slave. Hey, my people, my fellow women, I'm not support her to buy. May we pray for her. Fine, say she don't make the mistake of her life to marry lazy youths. She don't make the mistake. As a woman that I am, with a good heart, a care slave, you know, die follow that belly. You go born like you go born like other women. You go born successfully. But next time, women, choose wisely. Don't marry a lazy youth that will make you to be doing a shower with pregnancy. Don't marry a lazy youth. I hear say class slave, they use that to belate the also. Please, my beautiful women, if you don't want to end up like a class slave, don't marry a lazy youth. She not go see her take die. She not go die follow that belly. She go born carry that picking for hand. But learn from me, the mistake has been done. The mistake has been done. Okay, please, Mona, share this video now. And make so that women receive sense. You don't understand. They can't slave. La ho wo. Next time, if you don't burn this one, don't be shy. Don't be shy. You can still take a walk or you talk and say, if the man don't do well, you'll still take a walk because you don't see and say the responsibility is not too much. Now make you the using that they true and in case you can't come out, make they not come suspect you say they can't door to door they go. Yoruba men, I'm not saying they're not good, or Yoruba men some good or some, like they call ye pass. They not get respect for woman. You don't understand? So not those ones who they go say Yoruba men, Benin men not good. So Benin men good though. If me want marry, you not be Benin, I'm not go marry oh. Benin men not ga. Eh? Yoruba men. Eh? I don't know. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking all Yoruba in the house. I agree to now. I'm not coming here, come customer. But it's your brother. When a brother make mistake to go marry Ashawo, when he be say Akmekus, don't fly all over the world. The only Ashawo where Benin may reject. My brother go marry him. When I know advise him. Which is very, very bad of Yoruba. My brother, when he marry a cat slave, bring disgrace to Una. They bring disgrace to Una. It's not good. A woman need to be responsible. My own, na test. Like Mekus not fly. I not do position. I not do star. Na test. I not by person. I not by person. But to my sister, your brother can go marry the most low life among women. When Benin me rejects. My brother can go marry Ashawo, the male Ashawo. The only Ashawo on social media, Yoruba men. Wanna go advise that boy. Wanna not let her born just be killed. Because Ashawo born. Na Ashawo is born. But that one when just born, so maybe say na later when she won't born. You don't understand? Fine, she not go to lose. My brother not go lose. Now her money she can marry on her brother. So there is no need when her brother go tell lose. Now her money she can marry herself. So Mona advise my brother before it's too late to. Then not go be saying you go just born 7 children. All the 7 children come they open to make us for social media. It not make sense, my brother. You don't understand? Yoruba men, Mona still get some shame. Not be all women that they marry. Benin women, we are so special. And also, I like Benin women well. But not be the most useless one among Benin women when I go to carry. The one where they reject for Benin, now I go to carry. Mona carry the responsible mothers when they make us never the public. Be Yoruba men. Mona get sense. When I'm not the shame, say that get they bring disgrace. Yoruba men, una born children. Una born children, cause not they follow on. Una not the shame, you know they wicked una. The thing not get as they do una for body. Mona see the reason, we dey pray may our children excel. We dey pray may our children build the make they get position where we not reach. But to now, they never born her. It's half of their future. They don't social media presenter. They don't come out for easy on. Eh? Easy never born a Peking rich grand. Half of the future of the Peking don't come out. One of 2 cents now. Not be all women that they marry. If not be this boy, who will go marry easy for Edo land? We make us not fool everywhere. Have the mother share this video as soon as they come. We need to motivate our women. Hold on.
See, they beat the drum of war. They say, "Now you want not talk anything about for you. Oh, yeah, tired. You that tired. I'm not trying. For you, I'm not care you be your blocking.
Yeah.
No, you're trying. If you know they see the drum of war around that, like death around that, not talk and hear.
Huh?
Yeah, point anywhere when you want to put. I don't care. But
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don't write it here.
Ah.
If you write on here, now you're blocking. Because if you know the see like you are seeing it, you want to be ignoring it, or when I tell Nancy say she should be careful.
Oh
she
God.
Should be careful.
Oh God.
Because when I see around her, I know they like her.
Oh.
I've been trying to advise her with
Sarah is a good woman. Please share this video now. I know the thing not they go well. Sarah is a good woman. And that's why saying they come and they insult Sarah. She still they see vision for you. She still seeing vision. She can't still come out based on the good friend that she is. She not be like a taken or bell. As a good friend. She can't still prophesy to you. Say she they see, you say she they see and say, you won't buy, you won't buy, you won't buy. That is a good friend. If not some friend, she not go talk comments. Say that God will bless you for your good work. Now I make them. Some people there when it be said they get hot temper. They still get good heart. You don't understand? They still get good heart. Sarah is a good friend to Ekia slave. You know that Sarah is a good friend to Ekia slave. If there's some partners that they quarrel so as they see arrow happy for all the corner of Ekia slave, they go lock up. But she got to come out, make with the responsible women, put her in prayer. My beautiful women. Ekia slave, you not see her take by. You must born like every other women. Carry your pikin put for lap. But I go advise you, go apologize to Sarah for bringing out this prayer point for you. Not be your friend, they do one. What bear you are. Not be your friend, they do one. Not be your friend. They see, true friend. True friend, that is Sarah. Yeah.
You see why I'm not talking since? Do you see why I not say since? Because if I talk and say they cry for everywhere. You know this is why I talk and say she or you all see her with the core. Did you see you know many times? You know why you see why I not talking since? Do you see why I actually know your stalker and your mediana?
Jesus.
I don't say you will cry. I don't say now even now can cry. I know. So that's why I did not say.
Una see am? Oh God. Ekia slave. So now you be the bad person for this quarrel.
You know it's a dream. I should not say it again. Why did you put this thing for my this? Oh, go better be you are. May I block you? May I sign it for you?
How can a pregnant woman be receiving this course? My adult people not they do like this, so honestly, who are you tell way when they talk and say Benin men not good, Benin men not good, Benin men not good. How many Benin men? When I see say their wife, me wait, me I pause this place, me analyze and small, now 2 hours I want to do this video. How many Benin men when I see say their wife get belle, they'll come out on media, can't they fool themselves? The man never pursue and does. How many Benin women you don't see for this public can't they receive this course? You see our women, market don't kill them. They go to find outsider to marry. Not be all, never like that. They go say Benin men not good, Benin men not good, Benin men not good. Because they don't use their life useless. As me they so now, Benin men go still. A lot of Benin men they trust me because they see and say, Nagbola, I do everybody get past. Nagbola way the favor person now do. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for sharing me out, Elizabeth. I be wanna share. Not free. Not be money. You don't understand. How many Benin men when I go see say he they live this kind of life? He go allow a beautiful wife, a woman they cherish so much to be bringing a disgrace to him in this manner of pregnancy. Benin men. That's why I say when I say when I'm not good, when I see be your guy. Because I never see this one for Benin men hand. Truth not say they're not talking. I never see this one for Benin men hand. That's why when I see they on a body, but at least when I still break record for this area. When I still break record for this area to have a Magbeo. Now you see they on a body, but at least some see they do Charlotte they carry responsibility for Italy. So they carry those responsibility. Charlotte they carry responsibility for Spain. You don't understand. So Ekia slave, you made a mistake. You made a mistake for marrying. Well, I like you too much. You are a very beautiful natural woman. Thank you, Elizabeth. God bless you. You understand? Everybody get their own for body. You understand? So this one, when Ekia slave do, na big mistake. When she take go marry, the most talkative in the world. Pepper soup, pepper. Na pepper they eat pepper. Yoruba, I not look down now because of our desperate sister. Now make me come do this one. No, I'm not verse. Some still good. But they go say Yoruba men, they dirty. No verse. So. They talk anyhow. They don't get shame. They'll call it, they compare Benin men to Yoruba men. So I say, only waiting Yoruba men take better pass Benin. Not be said, they not be all Benin. They see they carry responsibility. That they carry responsibility. Now make them. It might be the little difference when it there. But this one, when they can't slave do, now disgrace to Yoruba men. Big disgrace to Yoruba men. So my dear men, more they wash well for na carry. How does one say a can't slave they talk say my pikin speak English, they read letter for 1 year. You will see pikin when they read letter for 1-3 years. You know, open page for that pikin because they motivate all those children. You need to be proud of that kind of child. Eke slave they deceive us. Now she married the best man. Now only her pikin talk for 1 year. Now only her pikin they read letter for 2 years. She they make us only be mothers. They feel inferior. My son when he did 3 years, he word never clear. And now he still be like say he they try. But Eke slave oh, they read letter for him mama. I'll get that kind of child when they read letter for 3 years. I go open page for her. Because that kind of pikin, people they like that kind of thing. Children go like it go be children program. Wanna stop to they deceive our women. Wanna stop to they make us feel inferior. Wanna stop to they brainwash women, our deceive our single mother. Single mother. If you see man when they try, even if you not get paper, you not get money, it know itself. He ready to marry you. More than they marry court marriage, or all those tradition, you don't recognize them. If the man buy, now you lose. You don't understand? Because I pray now our husband live long ago. If the woman stick by, the man will still benefit them. Marriage, to register marriage in Europe is very, very important. You know, now be waiting a cat slave do. A cat slave never do traditional marriage. She never do introduction. She just carry the boy hand, go put for ground. I'm not saying that in yon, na paper on, na paper the boy define. But she can't come and say that the boy was born and brought up in UK. How picky when me ask my son how they so now. If I say woman get past say, you know, we must not marry a person with virgin. But at least you can still marry a responsible one where people never fall everywhere. How can I give a child, give a birth in Europe? My child will grow. You're considering a woman with people don't fly everywhere. Woman still get woman, single mother. A single mother not be a bad thing, no. The most useless one among single mother. When they do style, position. I'm not see the doggy style when they share for a class slave. When I not see the doggy style when they share for a class slave. When I not see him. When I not see him. When I not see him. Which responsible mother go support, go that marriage when it be say, marriage when they say, when they do what she make man say, her husband people come the marriage. She showed the husband mama. Where the woman for date when they decide marriage. No. Me, I'm not going to agree my pikin marriage such woman like a cat slave. Now boys I get to boys. So I'm not going to raise up a responsible child to marry that kind of man. Man, when they marry a cat slave, that man is not responsible. The man is not responsible. So when we stop package. Ha! Say bye.
Yeah,
Una yera.
when she do what she do, when I know the advice,
Yera.
I'm going to cry for you. When I feel good and like who cares?
You see her?
If I ever pity for Israel, again, ever.
Yera.
When I pity in here, you know, say no be me.
Honor.
Me, I not go pity for her again, never.
Sarah is a true friend. She had a dream. She had a dream. She come and got a cat slave. Say, I get dream. Say you buy with Bele. At least this kind of woman, you need to enter house to go put herself in prayer. Day and night, 24 hours. All her frustration on Facebook. And she married to the best man. She say if Asha woman, she when it be Asha will marry man. You will not say the man na better man. Say the man na material. Now make her marry to Ashawo. Easier, but why they deceive us? Eh? People they like me say, why I go carry that guy when I do last? Why I go carry him? My way not get paper. Who tell you say my way not get paper? They know they carry him if you know himself. Who tell you say my way not get paper? They know they carry him if you know himself. Man and man. Paper or not paper. Paper not give the man the character. We give you the kind of character where they find a man or woman. If you look paper, you go for VT. You know understand? Because now person give that man paper when you define. Now person I give them. So wanna forget documents. Wanna choose wisely. You don't understand?
He campaign. Already, what she they do, the rubbish what she they do, you know they see.
You know, now don't be lie.
Now dream I foresee I only see it in the dream.
Okay. Now dream oh.
Wait. Me I stand there for year. Me I felt lucky to go for year. What's your name? Lucky. Go they cry.
Oh yeah, they will cry blood.
Oh, I want to block another person.
They will cry blood.
Okay.
They will cry blood.
Adios. Me I stand there for year.
Say that get dream, he can't tell you. Instead of you to come out to say, thank you, my dear friend. Say that get dream. Can take your no come they walk back easy with Bele. Say I had a dream. Say this can take your no not be your true friend though. I beg my sister. Be careful for her. Can take your no Make she not go by. Say she did dream. Can take care they carry your name for everywhere. Say she want me you buy follow Bele. That is a good friend. Instead of you to enter house, may you go put yourself in prayer. Do not put yourself in prayer. If Sarah no go come out, now may we the responsible women, may we put you in prayer. Say your own, if you don't finish, I beg my dear women, may we join me in prayer. May we pray for Ekia slave. May she born successfully. First, say she come out because they deceive herself, they deceive our women, they brainwash us. But she still be our sister. She still be our sister.
I wish. Come and eat. Don't hear me?
See when you call it. Because now food. Imagine woman when they get belly go dey live video for more than 8 hours. Every 24 hours. She dey hungry. She said when you can't eat food. Say that when you can't eat food, go on a boue. On a boue. Don't you ever
As she go let the born. Anyhow she take born, I don't care, but that one not go born. No, who is a better man warm in a wood there? Who I mark my word and mark this video, save the video. Man, call this woman now who are you know who there? Because that's what you sign. You even sign and say if you don't die, you'll still die for road. I'm actually doing my videos to be advising you indirect, but you know,
Uhona.
what to do.
Sarah first see this prophecy say, is your bed they die with belly? Not be me talk am, she talk am. She goes to the using direct, they give easy. Say, see wetin the kind dream when I dey dream. You don't understand. See the kind dream when I dey dream. This Ekia slave, she not listening. Ekia slave not listening. She not listening. But as the girl, as Sarah's care reach, she was so pushed because she get a good heart. She have a good heart. She not feel they see her fellow woman. They go fire. Make she not come out, come rescue her. She not come. She they using that way. They give her the message. Say, I did dream you back. I did dream you back. I did dream you back. Then she come out with boldness. The bold queen where she be. Say, may I just knock her direct. Maybe if I knock her direct, she go see pick sense. But still, Ekia slave not pick sense. Ekia slave not pick sense. Ekia slave, why? Why? Why would they bring disgrace to Edo people? Why Ekia slave? I dey shame your shame. You are disgracing your pregnant women.
Fine check, madam.
Ha! You are disgracing your pregnant women.
Well, if you're better, you almost remember me back at take care of no matter the years when you will take. You will remember me, Sarah Simpos, who where I was saying this. You need to have foresight.
Oh my God.
If anybody not planning for you, can take care of planning for you. I know that's what she wants. She don't need anything good for you.
To take care why?
And you can they sing, but you're actually thinking, I hate you.
No.
Oh, if your mind they tell you say I hate you, so be it. I hate you and so. If your mind they tell you say
you know it.
They wish you evil.
You love her, they make you talk, come out.
Kill yourself, but what? And the person when they wish you evil is very close to you.
Ah, Kate, why?
Distance. And darkness cannot they take your name go anywhere.
Ketekia, what is your better to you? Ketekia, what is he? Ekia slave to you? Ketekia, what did she do you? When you be say you dey find what you want to take by this girl, and you call her your friend. Why? Why are you doing this? It's very, very bad of you. She's your fellow woman. If she come back, you go carry her clothes. If she come back, what do you want benefits? It's very bad. Stop it. Please. Ketekia, please. Stop it. And not be she say your mama can't do okpo. Not be she say your mama can't do okpo. Not be she. What you Ekia slave can't do when you define use RYP to define her? Ketekia, why you get bad hearts? Ketekia, why are you like that? Why? Ketekia, why? If anything happened to Ekia slave, I will personally hold you responsible. Why? Why? Ha!
You wear the long pony. When they don't carry you pass everywhere.
Yeah.
Because nobody they follow Ketekia. When Ketekia know they carry his name and the picture, they go native doctor.
Ha! Oh God! Jesus! Oh my God.
Error.
She una hear this one. She say nobody when Ketekia no they carry his name go native. So if you be Ketekia friend, if you be Ketekia friend, be careful. They say she's full of evil. Be careful who you call your friend. They say all our friends, they carry their name from one native daughter to another, which is very bad. Which one are they benefit from all those? There's no wonder. Who call you here? No mind them, maybe they cry for them. No wonder. Money where they work, they're not they do better. To go see kitchen, your baby bed when you begin to sleep. Go see baby bed when you take care of the sleep. Money when she supposed to do, they change her children's room. She they use until they go one native daughter, they carry people name up and down. Ketekia, why? Ketekia, why? Ketekia, use your money to furnish your children's room. Ketekia, use your money to furnish your children's room. Stop doing native daughter. You know they pay. Ha! Ha! Stella is a good friend to Ekia slave. Ekia slave, somebody came out to rescue you. And you are still feeling big. Say nothing they happen. I'm not saying you pretend you pretend. You don't already call your papa when you say they fly for you. You don't already call your papa when you say they fly for you. But God is above all the power. Now God, they make people, all those means, they confess. Pray to God. Pray to God. Stop jubilating with your imagine if me get belle. Before my belle reach like that, I don't born. This girl, whether not 3 years, he want to born the pikin, I don't understand. Since she get belle, the pikin will not agree see him. See how she can be like fugu. A woman of 32 years, don't old like that. Woman of 32 years, don't old like that. Oh yeah, fugu. You don't born one, stretch mark won't kill you. If you don't born these two, join this one when you won't born, so how you won't look like? I beg, not they scratch your belly because of stretch mark. Now, you see me? I see they get shape, and you come and they insult me, which is very bad, they can't slave. They tell you, call me, say, how do you do it? You don't see my stomach. It is able to keep belly where they bone. I beg, they can't slave. Try, work on yourself. You make vuvu. Your belly too big. You bagbe. You cause work be. You are not motivated. You are nagging. You are shouting on media with pregnancy. Pregnancy is supposed to they enjoy. Make the man they rub your belly. You carry a public. They shut up and down. Get shame now. Get shame. You say Benin boy is not good. You go marry Yoruba. Yoruba man not take care of you, give you food. Now they use your belly to the beg. They also baby things money. I hear say your mama buy. May her soul rest in peace. May her soul rest in peace. Get shame. Public toilet bekus. Benin boy not they carry toilet bekus. Public bekus. Public bekus. Which value una still get for a slave? Because more not jealous. I not say some go see the jealous her husband say because say she they pretend say I want fufu. Nothing there again. I don't see him. That you know why the Yoruba man not pay bride price? Say I can't marry do. I pay bride price in Yoni. Nothing to pay for that one. I pay. Please wanna share this video now. I pay bride price in Jegbuweni. Bini me. When I not go for that kind of so any so don't come social media now worldwide. Bride price not deserve to pay for that. You don't understand? Bride price not deserve to pay. Someone are not the kind of so when I see they pay bride price puts. Women wanna get self-discipline. So that if you now want our adult men, I'm not saying our adult men full of pride though, just say so no they carry responsibility, they be traditional man. You don't understand? So they're still full of pride. But if you don't want to marry from a door, one and respect on herself. They're not saying not to Tufaka, but they do Tufaka with respect. The way me they do, like me could not come out of so they talk, say, I get her breast, now lie. You don't understand? I know myself. I never show my body to man before.
Okay, you see, you think you are free. Okay, you say, as you carry my own leg go, you don't carry your own go.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, what a good friend.
Faith, stop it. Take care, stop it.
Hey, David, you too much. God have mercy on the children. May God don't give God won't get mercy, make get mercy. Naturally, now we they use our hand, they cause until they worry us.
Yes, so.
Actually, we are the one that is causing our problem.
You hear her? You hear her? She's right. They said every nonsense, there is truth. If not be a cancer, they use her hand till they cause a problem. Eh? How can a pregnant woman come out with pregnancy to be fighting everybody? She not go fear. If she not they fly. She not they fear. With belly. So tell me if anything happen to her now, una see it cry. Una see a lot of women when you go only picture now they snap, put for Facebook, they won't born, they go buy. But she go carry belle come out with pants. Got to dey motivate una. Una they feel say this girl they lie. Una they feel say this girl they lie. When I see they can't take something to be something now. Not be everything they take like joke. How can a pregnant woman be coming out on public, chatting every day, doing saga? You know the fear of your life. You say that kind of person, an ordinary person. And when they feel say that they lie. I don't pity you, Nasha.
Actually, we are the one that is causing our problem. Oh, who been not there? Fine, I made mistake to follow that idiot.
Yeah.
Faith made mistake to introduce me to that idiot. Faith, they regret why you know that idiot.
Yeah.
Or you think, I just saga, or we just know saga, or I just know saga. Are you actually thinking I just like to saga Faith, Kate? Say all this one are propaganda, like I just like. Oh, is that what you're thinking? And I saw a real talk. Oh, he get Kate. He get Kate.
Hey.
Is that what you're thinking? It is I don't know what I do. Or it is I don't know what I see.
Okay.
Who tell me my me? I just like Sagara. If you think like that,
Yeah. Wanna?
You say you want to Saga, you can finish.
And what is it on the verse put here? Is Ekia slave say, oh, he je Kate, me proud mom. Na ti o he Kate be akia. Is he? Ogwongwe. Iye Kate what taking? Take be akia. Is you fnyawu? Are you mad ya tienwe ya te bomu ije le tienwe? Ugbe o. Iye Kate what taking okpo? Is it not okpo? Have a change? Okpo no. She's okpo. Igbe akia. Ashawo. Hey no. What you go be say orije cake me na ati orije cake ashawo. Ije cake is ashawo. Put that right there to if I finish I block you. Orije cake is ashawo. Ashawo no. What you go be say me na ati orije cake. Me cake are taking. Mama cake na ashawo. Me I speak English. Mama cake na ashawo. Mama cake take care is ashawo. And when I say when we they call her ashawo, as a daughter of ours, they say when she called defenders to prove to the world say I'm a man of the ashawo. She come out. Only what she have to talk, we say, my mama do ashawo, not be bad thing. She not girls band. Even self now, all women supposed they do ashawo. Okay, she'll come out say, my mama na ashawo. Mona cry. My mama na ashawo, my mama. She can't analyze her. If Mama Kate not be make Mama Kate. Make Mama Kate go bring Ayela La comfort. All of us. When did they call our show? Mama Kate, I challenge you to go bring Ayela La paper. For all of us, when they call you Okpo. Easy no bell. If Mama Kate not do, go bring her. May you go do her. Easy no bell. Go challenge us. Bring a juju paper for us. Say Mama Kate take care. No be Osho. Osho be Osho. Na to la senyor. Na to la senyor be benjo. At her age. Easy no go and bring a yellow paper. Challenge us. Say Mama Kate egele okpo Osho. She's Osho. I just also she dey talk say me. I can't dey come Mama Kate take care Osho. What taking? What taking? No show. She's a show. Exchange. The only woman of bother, no do big bag have a webo. Now mama be. The only woman on your dress, not all. On that bed, Rojiga webo. No make another big bag have a webo. Maybe Mama can take care. Mama can take care what to her APA. When we're not there, when your money wake out there. Epo, no worry, can take care. All the wish. So they will get me tavima. Dog any tavima. Which lie? Which lie? So shall be that idiot. No what the cover the master autonomy and marry no you go marry bege. Eka slave. Dog any tavima. No fiawu. Who ori anyaria. Who you boy them me no jewe. Dog any ta. Ije what taking also. Oh, ye go show ye big bag at today at the age of 85. Iye ke take ye big bag at oh boy ya take on also okpo. E wish e. Oh ya take on also. Oh boy ya take on also. What be your problem? What be your problem? Which lie? This you are taking, is it not okpo? She's so sure. Oh sure. Just as all those women when don't take for abroad. Mona cock take care, Mona avasa. Make she come out her mama for how many food your mama won't shop. A Belgian will support. If you make your money. Yeah, you done, eh? Go to where they for the gift benefits. Make your mama for enter house. Then they see give old women one room. Make your mama enter house. Make you commotion for those states. Oh, what to agbe bashawo. A booba bashawo said bomber. The bear. Oh, what to agbe bashawo can take care. Oh, what bashawo said bomber, oh, what bashawo said bomber. What be your problem? What be your problem? What did they say Monica do? You mean Monica fight person. Close this secret. I tell ya. As you are a pop button on. If you are bono, oh, bear ye bear. You understand ye bear. Memakatamu where and would up my visual mutashi. We are working together, we work together in Brussels. He got the note. Got the note, my visual not be better. When I read one, men I read two, you're not read three. A book of visual. Oh, it are. Can take care of Bell. A book what you are visual. Oh, what you are.
Who are me no who there? Is your birthday? Let me talk. Forget I say oh you land. Or say who man I will not this will even save you say you even survive. Do we have survival?
Yeah.
Go leave the rest for God. Who I mean no who hotel. Every na baby not be saying a joke.
Yeah.
Not be
Mona no call me. Who they call me? No be hook up at they do so they analyze.
that's one of the I will never pity neck pay. I can never pity for you again. Never. Awful. It is finished.
Yes, now she they die, they kiss her ass now.
Ozwanumako. I will pity for you. He cold like you. Hey, Nana, good morning.
Yeah, fast and slow.
Wow, maybe I don't kill myself.
Yeah. Mona share the video now. Mona share it. Hey, imagine pregnant woman when the bee say she know they fly. Now she dey between life and death. With belle, she dey come out on public to harass, to fool herself. And they love single mother. Single mother. Me when you come and say I be single mother. If I want marry the way Eka slave they marry, me and my latest, my ex latest for no quarrel. I for package jam. I go package here, you go package here. I go to use money package jam. I know they live that kind of life. People when I see say they to am, now few in favor. When they use their money to marry themselves. You don't understand? Now few in favor. Now man they marry woman. For me to marry man, he go better make the man use 100 euro to marry me. Go let me talk say now he marry me. Not be by big marriage that they know woman when he go stay my house. Not be by marriage big that they know marriage when a perfect marriage. Instead of me to come say, now she marry herself. Now she come and come they deceive us. Maybe they select. We want to be like Eka slave. We want to be like Eka slave. Suit when Eka slave husband wear. You know, say Alibaba. Alibaba. With coats. Alibaba. Alibaba. He come big. He be like person where they put for inside clothes. You know, say clothes too big. They'll put her inside. Show. He comes to carry junky hair. Then when they laugh, Mommy Monica husband. Oh. You know, see her when the man carry on the wedding day. And she comes to come out before you know she wake up and say, hey, my husband is a young man. I'm older than my husband. No shame. No shame. But if another person tell you body, she will come out, but she not fear. She got to talk to me. Say, I just test. She won't talk. She say, I they use Bele, take the fire, P square, I beat Timaya. I dey use belle dey find peace care because I dey find paper for your hand. Why I not go use belle take hold am? I dey find paper for your hand. Based on say money before he come, he send me money. Me I tell buy shopping for us. He dey send me money every month. Based on say the money when I see for your hand, it was too big. I don't want me to lose am. I need to use belle to hold am. The passport when he gets, when he be say I want me to collect for the passport, I need to use belle to hold am. He said, she won't talk. She said, I don't get shame. You don't understand? She said, I don't get shame. Oh, easy. Eka slave, who must talk bell? Who must talk bell? For that word when you talk, say, I be one you as soon as they talk and say, I be one just belete home man. When you won't go just me take a duro. I say I won't just belete Holland because of the private jets when they drive. How many years is my son? 30 to 4 years. I won't tell you say 3 years plus now my son did so. I won't tell you say before that 3 years plus I just keep my kwekus because they pay me. I know they do. Me, you know how many men I don't go because of baby get belly. You know how many? You know how many? And you know how many people don't hook me up with man? And they give condition. But they won't come out for water sweets. Say I won't use belete ho timaya for the passports. And person when he tell me say, you know, if you buy chocolate, give my children, say not being be papa. Now I won't use belete ho. Who was war? Oh, what is they on a body now? They judge me. Everything on a body. Now make una can't judge me. I want to spell Holland now. They call my friends. I feel call 4 people, 4. And he measured their name for a platform. 4 people. When I call, say, see this guy they toast me. See what they tell me. Well, has to take plan on. Lizzie Tessie for YouTube. Tessie, that big YouTuber. She did her well. Now she even give, she tell me to test. Now I lie. Now I test them. Lizzie, she tell me. Mommy Rita still tell me, say, I don't get belly. Now you pay my bride price. Before you come my house. They are desperate. I call they call people around. I want this belly lamb. If they say they lie, to say they know they call this name for public. Yes. And this TikTok can say, he no send a setup. Not be set up for bad though. I want just trying to know whether or not the kind of man when he be say he go appreciate me if I make the sacrifice. So if I they lie, I know they call this name for public. I they both they call the name because they aware. If they say that they lie, now lie that they talk. When I say they not talk about them because they not say I know they lie. I they talk the name when people as they take involved, I they both they call their name. Now they even may give me the idea. Oh, if not, I for people go stupid. I for still fall victim. Now they give me the idea. These people when they talk so. They tell they say I don't need when you want born. I don't want born again. They go say, eh? Ma when you call me pikin, because now ma when you call me take care of pikin. Now you define when you won't use. I will say no. They will say no. They look your past. Me I look Mrs. Ijobo Sana. Not be person be that. You know. I tell them. Now they even encourage me to go further. I of course they say, but you not get paper. If you use me get paper, they say paper and love. That make me go. Those also they come they talk lie. That lie. If I tell you say the lie, if they shake me, not they shake me. They say, what do you not do? You not worry about them. Which man will offend woman when you go come? How many women will they agree say they offend woman? You don't know how many baby papa they did spoil their wife for women to win your heart. They go spoil their ass for you to win your heart. How many may they accept say they offend woman? They know now what woman do, what woman do they talk. The way we see they talk, what man do us. So all those information where they talk, fash, lies. What you make me happy? I get proof of 4 people. 4. When he involved, when he give me go ahead, say, do it like this. 4. If to say this case go further, maybe they for come out say this boy they lie. So if you just have to do YouTube, do talk for YouTube. Now make I know I'm not the shake. You got me?
Nobody, no, you're not getting out here with Facebook, you know. For this Facebook, now they for change.
Me I fast and not get picking him come up for here because he not get what he gave me. Me I fast time.
What goes to what? You know when you hear slave they talk. They will say what come to what you go born with operation. That's what she's saying. And I'm waiting sleep for her head. If what come to what they will tear her belly. That's why she dey do all those things she dey do. How can a human being be thinking that like you go say, oh, you know why it take with walk out to what they tear your belly? Like, is that the prayer that you really want?
You hear him?
Yeah, it's a pity. It's still a pity.
You know, Yera, she say Ekia slave say if you come to wars for labor, with the reason why she dey misbehave for social media, saying na abroad with day. If you come to wars, she go born with operation. Operation, I know say na normal thing for abroad though, but at least not be all when you go operation they survive am. Not be all those women when they die with belle, eh? Then you know if you tell me say they try to go normal, they not survive. They want them why they not escape the bar through operation. They supposed to escape the bar through operation. So I can't slave. If now what you the reason when you they do anyhow, be careful. Money when you know city shop, stop they use until they go from one native daughter to another. Pregnant woman need to enter house. Pregnant woman need to enter house. Now man need to hustle. If you not get belly, fine. Now man need to hustle. When you go they take 50% of your born pikin for because of money hustling. So you don't use shame to change your Facebook name. Make people not know you again because of the wayward life. I think you say you're not Buegbe. If this is not really Buegbe, why you change your name to Hot Pepper Soup something? Why you change your name to Hot Pepper Soup? She don't change her. She did Facebook, but she did lie. Say I'm not on Facebook. I'm on YouTube. She changed her name to Hot Pepper Soup something. She changed her Facebook name to. If you go that page, all her video might be dead there. All the one which she for do a cat talk nonsense, she delete her. And she did come out on the form say, Egbe, packaging. Stop deceiving our women. Stop misleading our women. Stop encouraging our women to go and use their money to marry themselves. May you get shame. We are shame not there your eye. And you they come and they talk to woman when it be say, I just test. You say, make me get shame. Say, I just do, oh, my people's not come at all. And now through the people, bola, now you tell no me, oh, the Ekia slave, no, bell. Before you reach where you don't know as your people's fly for social media. My own not fly. Now just test. Test. How what bear you are.
No, it will not Ketekia, your evil must kill you.
Amen.
If we are must aware.
Amen.
Your evil must kill
you. Amen.
And the evil plan we were planned concerning person now, it must kill you.
Amen. If not true.
They're surprised that they see you.
Okay.
Anyway, forget say I fell know you before. I fell know how they do.
Okay.
I don't feel they see you crow.
Mm-hmm.
You came here before. But it's surprised now say I they know the step, every step we they make. Are you surprised?
Una here? Ketekia, why? Why? Ketekia, why? What is he can't do you rich like that when they use my ROIP to the final? What is he can't do you rich like that? Despite say that one useless. But at least she's still our sister. Let us be our sister keeper. Let us be our sister keeper. Ketekia, why are you so wicked? Why are you so wicked? Why? What did she do? And you call her your friend. You call her your friend. A friend should be a sister keeper. Put her in prayer. All those bad hearts when you get Ketekia. Yeah, for your yore with them, ma. The meter your yore. I will bet you are. Yeah, for your yore of Yashawo. I was just reject big beakia. Ketekia. Yeah, your yore of Ibiakia. No, mamma, we will show. Show, be more show. Amaye bomber. Amaye bomber. Ya when no marry bomber. Ona gbọ́dọ̀ ya so yo show. O se opa no be gbe nanu e. Na we ti e Ekia slave no we owa. Uma be tun wa Una kwa le ninu awe e oni o WhatsApp mo ki. Den se lati boss ma to fa wo ni sawa na nia. Pa ya no sunu e. How we know? Please, my beautiful women, let us put Ekia slave in prayer. so that she will deliver like April. Which one they call her to say April woman, April woman, I know women. I don't know. Me, I don't cut my tongue. Me, I drink tea, my throat don't dry. My throat don't dry. Eka slave, and I now go talk well. Eka slave. You know, say, I say my throat don't change. Eka slave. You see, I say, you have a true friend that you call your enemy. You have a true friend that you call your enemy. You have a true friend. When I share the video, may go to Eka slave. If you not share, I should not go see him. You don't understand. Come out to apologize to Serati boss for doing a great job. She's doing a great job. She's doing a great job. She's a true friend of yours. No, does expose a keteka no beo. Na she. But she feel say she a joke.
This person when they even get this fake account, they say that retire kia. Oh yeah, come for my. I don't need the una for my page. My page where
I was blocking her. I mean, bad commenters.
You can never ever come for my. I don't need fatherless children like una for my this thing.
You don't mind them. Fatherless children, spam don't know. Yeah, fast and small.
As no, not they talk about prayer. That's the way they pray. Now stupid prayer, right? Now what is she they talk? You go say what's come to what they tear belly, they remove the picking. No, now everybody when they tear the belly.
No, be they survive.
Man, you didn't fight, or survive. Ah, God.
When I say they give thumbs up, not free. I beg. When I give thumbs up. Therefore.
Then, like, no, be that one when Okuname was very far. And what they are doing now.
Nayera. Nayera.
And that will go goat. I will say it and say it again. Me, I be one man squad on my own.
Yeah, so what I tell like this Sarah, she know they put phone number, say Mona call him to insult person. She they analyze them the way it be. She be one man squad though. Anybody when you do any and she dey chest. She not get any area where she dey support. Now tell like this girl. She know they put phone number, say don't work back. And I love her energy. I love her energy. The only woman when they do video for 3 hours without no shaking, no call her, they call in to say, but she dey chest her. Fear not they let them talk to her, mo. Fear not they let them talk to her. He can't sleep in no bell.
For that one when they do for Query Town, no, if Query Town need anything at all, and Opeka, when this idiot come and lie, say, I was not about you the picture.
I need to take care.
Opeka can't jump comment. It's not good. You snap, and I don't even snap nobody picture. You must snap it. That one now. I pray maybe say they will reopen the case court, the court case. Because a court case is a weapon. It remains more in social media. If they don't listen to social media case, they will just say, make they go.
Yes, so.
When don't say the thing, when I because the thing related to social media,
yes, so.
They cancel the case. You know what? Up till now, anyway, maybe February they will come.
Okay.
They never think quick because I want them to judge that case. Because the land whether it's your life, because first, she's going to provide the picture that I took.
Okay.
The picture, that picture, when he said, it's not a picture. Same person when they say that they picture. It go the sharp. Now, same person go Nigeria, they go carry person, mama. Now, if before, I mean 3 years ago. Love the IKO, jamais les go snap papa, video, and the video person, mama video person papa. On a the same idiot. Quand les gens say me won't take a picture. There's some idiot person like Okpaika no go and pay the day now, which come and say you no good.
Okay.
And when we say if you take a move. But she could have told Okpaika. Oh, go here where the day now wish. And the day now saga. And the day now saga. As you get the hype for every evil when you have on the social media. If you know the inside, Okpaika mana roto to Ekpa. Okpaika must stay the under. Okpaika must why? Okpaika don't go to a never wuha. If Okpaika know the any conspiracy info or quarrel for the social media, you know they complete. Okpaika your job come out. It's not good. You take the children picture. Now I come on as 2 o'clock in the night, just the night just later they do video.
You don't finish. Imagine. Everything we say at the talk, truth, not truth, oh. Everything we she just talk, not truth. Everything. This social media, people will not make them better. Now the mature one. The mature ones. Now they hide put for everything. Before when they grow, they come. If 2 people they get quarrel, the mature ones go talk truth. They go call this one, give them get it for wrong. But now, let's just say they be illiterate. Now their method they do monetization, YouTube, this, they will see truth. They will hide them, saying a lie. Tell me how true they will take respect to now. When it be said true, they don't get the respect for social media again. So you carry they go bebo jo. Why? Na their character. They will carry they will bebo jo. Why? Na their character. Our dear advanced people for this social media. More than they talk truth for where truth they. So that make children for the respect to now. More than not they talk hard for the grant till they support one side. Based on say when I not go school. Me I not go school. I mean they do my things myself. I not the find person to come help me. I not the find person to come help me. So more than they use sense till they do something. Illiterate not be bad thing no. Not be gonna start them. Because I know a lot of people for this social media. I think count to 15. When it be say the reason why they support that person, their password, their Facebook, their YouTube, now in they operate them. So they not fit talk because they be illiterate. And now people like that they come out on public to call people illiterates. But I'm not call their name because they don't use that to send me message. But all the judgment whether they judge now one whether they judge one side. Now because say if they talk truth, the person go stop to the head there or he go cause them. I know where matter they go. I not be fool. I not be learner. You know understand? But all you see, Ekia slave in raw, they can take care. Who must to bell? Ekia slave, why you change your name from your Facebook and you say what that they talk? You they happy for marriage, your husband will not get problem, you know they shake, but you change your name from Facebook. You change them, but you leave the YouTube on. Why you change your name? You get shame. Stop pretending. Stop being fake. Okay, stop being fake. Stop being fake. Stop calling me. Stop telling me to get shame. Because you are the most shameless woman on this social media. You are the most disgraced to Edo Kingdom on this social media. You are the most useless on this social media. For this social media. To Edo society. To who say, you not be Bini. Well, they go say any small thing where to now when they talk say have you robo. I'm proud though. So wama. Una good. How many robo girl una just see when they use the hustle for social media. Now una hand for the see the bad things. So una call me robo. I'm so glad to even come out me for Bini. Say I go do something I will say no be Bini wama. Wamagbe. I do wamagbe. Una know the year una name they fly everywhere say una not good. Now see the some person. The good one, I'm not talk to now. Now the ones when they be say they're not good. They see who be Bini, who be Robo. Who Robo not the best. Who Robo not the carry last. If to say I be really Bini as una talk, una for don't beat me at the house. The one be take gang up, be supporter for fair. Can't be saying I support her with love. Una just support am because of Keteka no almost to gbeo. Keteka no almost to gbeo. No oje gbeo. Ni kuku. Na make una support am. At almost to gbeo. If una like una kpai. I know the reason una matao. Una know your bale para nada. Una just toma por culo to mia fanculo. You don't understand? Una not bale para nada. For nothing. Una not bale. You got me? So everything when I just dey talk, no me figanete. You got me? I don't give a dime. When I just dey buy, una go continue buy. Una say I shake instead of the shine. Na matter na shit. I won't go toilet. I mess put. Una be mess. Wow, priya. Una be mess. Beta kaka. Now una be. Una not just ballet. Ma ballet na. Ma ballet. Una know the truth. Una just try to burn her. You don't understand? So when I just suffer, they cry, I cry. Me, I don't do my bola, I don't enter house, I don't use and get what I define. So I just they cry, I cry. You don't understand? I told you people, you cannot shame the shameless. How you want to shame person, you not get shame? How you want to shame, you not get shame? You want worry here? You see, a slave, la one get one. Get inside. I am on my YouTube, who don't my Facebook. Who don't my TikTok? No more come, no matter more come. I work your way. Uohua, umae. Uohua, umae. They are like the way they get shame. Una dear, measure my name on your live on your YouTube. Ah, wa bera wa bijou. Ijou no guno degbe leni gwiwa. Ah, wa bera wa bijou. Wa gbeo. Ijou wu. Ige beri a ukwalona. Wa also. You dey strong go laja 24 hours of the day. Wow, so you get beria. If we mago weta laja, ubijue. Today popularity. This way I post. This way I post. If we mago wetu laja, wa do agwe mekuwa. Amalaja na we ona do ajigo inyame. Ina wiki kwa lo. Dem na wiki ni eba. Wa wori ya nyaria. Eredu wanu wa muboto. Abi be trait no where they are traditional women. How are traditional women on mama revia vunya. Unu wa marovia to. No wa o wa wagmo. Unu wa. How marovia to. Enu wa ya ni kuana. No marebo. No mare koko. No mare Hausa. No mare Yoruba. No mare Yego opuse. Wa do women kuan. Even they talk to me. Now they talk to me now. Ah wa beruwa wa bijwa wa. Wa gbeo wa ya. You know, wa ya o. For now, no na share it to go give them. Wa ya wa beruwa. Ah wa bijwa wa bae. Wa you know wa ya de by one side. Ruda wa ka yin yan ego ri enu wa. Wa kona. Wa konu wa gbeo. Wa must to gbeo. Wa gbogbo an work. Be anwina. And wa get single more than what I beg single more than what I want to get single more than why. Wa worry here. You both should go and work. Anwina. Then we bo. Go, you have to work. Well, you have to by one side. That one for a man now, na support and allow. Because of a caretaker, no almost to feel who and I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn because you see what? Say toilet, I go down shit for my head. You want ne you want I ne you want how wa why yao? You know, we have the by one side. You know, we have believe how wa yawa. Okbama laivo. Ọ̀hún náà dede wa kí mama yo sa. Ọ̀hún náà je ma wa kí mama yo sa. Iwe ta wa be you are. You don't got me? Ah wa be you wa yawa. Okay? So, why forget mo wa o? I'm fully ready. And you buy on wa o, no gbe me pe. Iye ke ni ke picture ma ye mi o. Iwe ta wa bu wa wa. Wa ye mi. Ama wa bu wa ya na ya ve wa de gbe ya gbon ya ve. Ah ye le wa bu wa wa. Wa fia wa won no gbodo awi ko no ko do ma so to no pretend awi ko ni jiko yan ya mare egbe yan no ke single mother me how ni me mare egbe me ipe abu gbere je mi 1000 euro iri la wa me e be 700 euro self for free wa me mo settle for less e bole lu wa se ni gbe ma na wa desperate to the monetization no wa ya kokodo wo wa ere wa won do no mare ebo abege egbe no mare taki abege egbe de no ma wuku wa wa be wa ya wa fian wo wa sun wo de ne wero wo lokun ro ni gbo ogbelo wa ogudugu ogbelo wa fi ogbelo wa aso pe kan ogbelo wa aso mo ri ogbelo wa wa ya fi ebo ya no ro tedo Aguru lo ni gbo gbelo wa be ya church enu wa ma sure a kwa be you wa iti o ta won gbo ta vo la lo ya vo gbo nisan o fi awu abebe I live here idiot people nonsense. Thank you all for watching. I want to share this video. Bye bye.